Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW E46 guys, and if you have one, this is the 3 Series from 1998 to 2006, and you're guys trying to find the fuse for the sunroof, or also known as moonroof. Stay with us, we'll show you where it's located. We will have guys more than 200 videos on E46. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. So, let me show you now, okay, what we have here. We have this 2005 BMW E46, and I want to show you guys, okay, where to find the fuse, okay, for the sunroof now. So, coming this way, you need to guys, okay, let me just position the light so we can see a little bit better. Okay, and turn the light down just a little bit so we can adjust the visibility. We need to open, okay, the glove box compartment, and now guys, right here, okay, you have these two white things that you need to spread towards the outside, okay, just like that. You have two rows of fuses, one on top, one on bottom. The numbers for the top one you can see with white ink, the bottom ones are printed on the plastic, so you can kind of see them when you get really close. And the fuse guys that we're looking at now for the sunroof is actually fuse number 46 guys, fuse number 46, and it should be a 20 amp fuse or a 30 amp fuse depending on which option you have. This fuse right here, this one is fuse number 46. So we will grab the fuse puller now, okay, pull it out like that, grab the fuse, remove it. You can usually check them by looking at the fuse and know for sure if it's good or bad. This is a good fuse. If you need replacement fuses guys, check out the description of the video below to see where we get our fuses for a really good price guys, super good price. And we'll go ahead and install this one. So this is guys the fuse for the sunroof or moonroof, or if you have the panoramic roof on E46. Later, don't forget to install your fuse puller here. You will need it. Just put it back up like that and close your box. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.